everyone, it's Gretchen here and Samantha.
Hi.
And we have a Bath & Body Works SAS sale. Samantha got to use the paper coupon, 10 off of 40, and then I used mine on the phone. And what the cashier did, she just went up to 40 and then stopped it and we paid, and then we did the other order. So, want to show them what we got?
Yep. Okay. So I got this really cool bath, poof wash thing. Really nice for the skin. A scrubby is what I'd like to call them.
It says soak it up, and
yep.
It was $3.50. And look, my nails match.
Yep, and it's my favorite color, so I'm really excited about that.
Favorite color.
I got this Bath Fizzy Eucalyptus Spearmint. It was on sale for 50% off, and I'm excited because it, it's like herbal. It's very relaxing. It smells really nice.
Yeah, so this ended up being $3.48 half off. They had like a basket of select fizzies you could get.
Next I got this pomegranate fragrance melt, which I'm also really happy about because I like doing the fragrance melts. I have a whole bunch of different types just because they smell really good, and pomegranate is one of my favorite type of scents in terms of like the fruity.
And it was 75% off for $50. They had a lot of melts too.
Yeah.
A lot of different ones. They had jars of them.
Yeah. So then I got this Cabana Breeze shower gel, and it's just a little tiny bottle. It's not as big as the other like normal shower gel bottles, but it's nice because it's a little like not really sample fragrance, but it kind of is because you can just use it, and then you can get other smaller ones and get a whole bunch of different fragrances rather than getting just one normal size and having that for a while.
Again, that was 75% off of $6.
And then something I really like to use is this this body butter. This is the Cloud Butter, the Electric Blue Sky, and it's just really it's really light and easy to use, and you can control it better than if you use something out of another type of lotion, the like squeeze bottle type. You open it up and you can just take as much as you want out, and it just,
what does it smell
smells
like?
nice. It just smells like light, to be honest. It's its own, I don't know how to explain it. It's not too perfumey though.
So it originally was $18.50, and again it was 75% off.
Yeah.
They had a couple there. A couple different choices.
Yeah. I like their body butters. They're really good for the skin. And then
I got a 3-wick candle in the Cool Off Watermelon Lemonade.
That one honestly smells like summer.
It does. Watermelon ice, sparkling water, and Meyer lemon. So it was half off, $22.50.
I like that.
That was the deal at the time. The candles were half off.
Yeah, and they had that scent. They have that scent in soaps, and the soap smelled even good too. I like that one.
Yeah.
It's a really good one. So then I got this Live Fresh Seaside Breeze body spray, and I really like it because it's light. It's, again, not too perfumey, but it's just enough to give you that scent. And I like the summer type of smells, the like more tropical, but it's not overbearing. So I'm excited to wear it, and especially like out and about. Yeah, without it being too like overly, perfumey.
And this was originally $14, and again, 75% off.
And then to follow it up, I just had to get this Galaxy Mist. I had seen it in the little sale section, and I was all for it. I get to be sparkly, so I'm pretty excited about that.
What'd she say? I think this was $1.50. There was no price tag on it, but she said when we pulled it up, took it up to the counter how much.
Yeah.
So I think it was $1.50. with the 75% off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's just nice because there's really no scent to it. It's just like kind of glitter, you know?
I got 2 soaps in the salted honey and vanilla, the nourishing hand soaps. And originally $7.50. And I got these for, well, 75% off. So, what, $1.50? Is that right? They had different ones, lavender.
Yeah.
And they had one Be Merry, but it was in a hand lotion. So I just got the soaps.
And then I believe you got this one, and I got the same thing in a lotion.
So again, these were 75% off.
The winter candy apple.
This was $12.50, which was $12.52.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
They didn't have any. Someone actually came in looking for the coconut mint drop.
Yeah.
While we were there, and they said they didn't have any more, but they had this. Yeah.
I like that one though.
Yeah,
It smells really nice.
Me too. We have one more bag. Okay, so that was number 1.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I couldn't get up quite to the 40, and they had their minis on sale 3 for $12. So I went ahead and got some more minis. This is strawberry mimosa, and it smells like sweet tart candy.
They got them really wrapped up in there.
It smells so good. Ooh, makes my mouth water. Look at that light pink wax. It smells good.
Oh yeah.
It smells like sweet tarts.
Yeah, it does. And that's so cute. It's like perfect for Valentine's Day. I love that.
So we got quite a few of these. We had them, we already had a stack. Well, we already had 3, and then I got 3 more.
So this was also from the sale on the Bath Fizzies. This one is pink jasmine and strawberry. It smells really nice. I like doing the Bath Fizzy.
Oh wait, was that the full price one you got?
No, that's in here
Okay.
yet.
So there's that one.
And then,
Oh yeah, it was half $3.48 or half off
Yeah.
$6.95.
this is the winter candy apple, but the fragrance melt for it. So that way, not only can we use the fragrance to bathe with, we can also smell it as candy. I like that.
I can't even get them open. Smells good though, what I could smell. Again, 75% off.
So this is the Bath Fizzy that was full price, right?
Yeah.
It's the Hello Beautiful scent. But it's really cool because it has a flower on the top of it.
So $6.95.
Yeah, but it's gonna be totally worth it.
It is pretty.
Yeah. They had all sorts of really nice ones. It was hard to choose. And then, this is Fiji Pineapple Palm, just the shower gel. So, again, I like the tropical scents. So, I'm definitely fond of that.
Yeah, that was 75% off.
And then, oh, my absolute favorite scent by them that they had done a couple years ago, then they had discontinued, but then they brought it back, the cucumber melon.
Oh, I can't even stand oh.
Oh, I love it.
Bath and Body Works many, many moons ago, like before, well, she was just teeny tiny little, they had cucumber melon, and it was one of their signature scents, and you could get it in shaving cream. And by the time I got done through that bottle of shaving cream, my stomach turned to that scent. But it was 50% off cucumber melon, so it was $6.25.
I used to have all sorts of different, just all different things in that scent. Like a couple years ago, I used to get not only the shower gel, but the spray, the lotion. They even had like car scents. I got a few of those, like room sprays. It was, I was crazy
you know,
for it.
I used to love cucumber melon once upon a time.
And then,
Oh, and then I got Pop the Top Watermelon Lemonade, $3. It was just in a special, you know, table. It said select hand soaps, $3.
And then I think the last things are just the 3.
So more of the candles. Again, they were 3 for $12, so 2 more of those. And then she got a special one for her birth.
My zodiac sign, I'm an Aries. See? And it just, it doesn't really say like the scent, but it's, I mean, it's nice. I don't really know how to describe it. But I'm an Aries, so I'm really proud of that.
I thought I had it on there, no? Huh. That's what it looks like. They had all the zodiac signs there. Well, they didn't have this one out. She actually went in the back and got it because we were looking specifically for the Aries.
Yeah. Well, they had most of the other ones. So it's pretty cute if you're into that, you know. I think they were all different smells, possibly. I didn't really examine all of them. We were just trying to look for the Aries one.
Yeah, and they were in those big glass jars, and it was hard to like spin them to look.
But we got it.
Yeah. All right, that's what we got from Bath and Body Works, SASL, January 2018.
Yeah.